Hello everybody, I am Alpha, here's another video for you today. This is a video showcasing my setup and kind of my workspace. Alright, so first off is the desk. This is where the start of all production goes, this is where the finish of all production goes, videos, 3D printing, everything, all ends up here. Right now, getting ready to print the files. This actually looks quite nice from the photos. It should come out really good. On the desk, got a pretty standard keypad, membrane keyboard, various color modes, just works well for what I do. A Razer Tartarus V2, great for all sorts of things, not just gaming but for editing, everything, because everything is programmable and this button adjusts what everything can do. Standard mouse, 3D printed, a angle adjuster for this to make it more natural to fit into the hand. Pens, always keep pens and pencils nearby. You don't know when you'll need to write down an idea or need to sign something for shipping. Here, micro SDs, SD adapter, and USBs. Got the cute little guy right here. And down there is the PC. Nothing too fancy there. The desk is a sit-stand desk, so it can go up and down, which is quite cool. Which means I can stand or sit while working. Currently I was sitting. Less tiring that way. Over in here though is where most of the builds, their intermediate stages are. This is a finishing table as well as a general build table. Most of the builds you've ever seen on the channel are built on this, and it is quite a nice table. I've got a nice soldering station set up here. I've got all the tools I'll need to finish most jobs. Even got a couple sets of motors left over there, and a few testing tools, sizing tools, magnets, glue. Everything is here. Got a good supply of super glue, always good to have that. Eye protection, hearing protection, very important. Keep those on hand. Got a mask just in case we got particulates in the air. Don't want that getting right in my face. Paints for miniatures. Got a partially disassembled watch that I'm replacing the battery in. It's the Lego Star Wars Mall watch from ages back. Got a couple unfinished kits here that need a bit of cleaning up. They're just little kit cards. Fun little things. Easy to assemble and all that. And a vice which I've modded a little bit with some foam. Over here we have the printers. That one is unfortunately malfunctioning right now. See what we can do about that. But this one has been printing non-stop for the past quite a while. Up here we've got a couple display of a few things, and the air duster which I was using to clean these out earlier. Nice helmets ready to go out, and then we have the filament storage area. Got lots of this nice olive green color for helmets. Got a dark blue, standard blue. Over here we've got the lighter blue. This is kind of just the mid-ground blue, what I would call blue. Some TPU, which I'm really excited to show you guys some of soon for the upcoming armor project, and a bunch of grey. Up here we've got a white, just standard PLA. Most of this stuff is PLA plus, but I do have a little bit of PLA left over. Yellow, gold, black, blue, etc. White, orange, red. Got a lot of colours and hoping to expand that soon as well. Up here we have equipment such as tactical gear, stuff for my Mandalorian helmet. These pads are great, also in a future video. And some stuff, a lot of this is for future videos, charging batteries, and my actual mask for painting. This is my setup, and yeah. Over here we've got small part storage, as you can see. Got charger for a RC battery there, got leads that plug in, custom leads that plug in for circuitry testing, XT60s and all that. Great little thing. Another 3D printer. This one is going some upgrades currently. Excited about that. Smaller print bed, but it prints really well because the gantry is cross-framed and all that. I hope you all liked this tour a bit. This is my workshop, it's where I work, and let me know what you think of it down in the comments below.